Breaking out for Bryan. I got it right now. I finally got my knife. Didn't know where that went. 15 at Prizm Collegiate Draft Picks. I still don't know where I put it. Who knows? Good luck, man. Djax, Foster, Dress Anderson rookie card. Out of 199. Duke Johnson, Kellen Clay. Clay Matthews, Alan Hearns, Tyler Lockett, Cameron Artis-Payne, Ekbray Olumu. Yeah, that's a possibility. Big Ben, Terrence Williams, Charles Gaines from Louisville, rookie card auto, 20/25. Charles Gaines. Blake Bell, Trey Flowers. Jeffrey, Sherman, Gore, Crowder, Titus Davis. Tom Brady, Jordan Cameron from USC out of 199. Jaquiski Tart, Gerald Hallman, and Anthony Harris. Romo, Palmer, Scherf, Gregory, Leonard Williams. RG3, Andy Dalton, David Johnson. Out of 199 to 190, a 199 rookie card auto, David Johnson for the Cardinals. Nice hit right there. Marcus Peters rookie, James Winston rookie. That's a nice one. I like those camo ones. Pozlesny, Green, Collins, Deron Brown, Landon Collins. Stafford, Cutler, OBJ, Jalen Strong, Lorenzo Malden. Le'Veon, Eddie Lacy, Jordan Phillips, Brandon Scherf, Kevin Parks. Kelvin Benjamin, Carr, Polamalu, Hardy, Dante Fowler. Manning, Woodson, Mayo, Abdullah, and Jordan James. All right, man, thanks for the break. I'll have that packed up and shipped out for you.